Today we're at the FBO forum. FBO is faith-based organizations. This is a forum that's been convened by the World Council of Religions for Peace for the last 3 years, beginning in 2006. And it brings together organizations that are faith-based, based in communities of faith, working on humanitarian relief and development, as well as organizations working on peace building and conflict resolution. It's a mix of organizations from around the world, and the forum is a way and a place for us to talk about how we can come together and work together for the benefit of the communities that we serve around the world.
I think UMCOR believes in the same type of approach and has the same sort of value and moral system. We already do have partnerships with other organizations such as Muslim Aid, and so this is another way for us to really strengthen and build our partnerships to be more effective. I think as we're addressing the core issues of poverty, if we come at it as a coalition, our forces are stronger, and we can be more effective in that partnership and have a wider outreach in terms of those and the needs that we're addressing.
Different faiths have a lot of strengths in them, and if that kind of strength could be channelized together, it definitely is a wonderful idea, instead of them trying to fight with one another and stuff like that and wasting their energy. I think this is really great. In the US also, basically that's what we are trying to do, is trying to unite the people within our faith, the Sikh faith, together, and this is exactly the reflection of what we are doing in the US.
We have seen that Religions for Peace has a mandate to facilitate these kinds of forums, these kind of conversations. And I think that we've benefited greatly by having very resourceful faith-based organizations from different faith traditions, including Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, around this table, and we've discussed concrete and actions that may be taken. For example, we're having a pilot action research that we hope can benefit a multi-religious approach to conflict in the Horn of Africa. And we also discussed the possibility of having similar forums on national and regional levels that can be much more operational.
Well, the African Council of Religious Leaders, Religions for Peace, is engaged in Africa, in various regions of Africa, in various countries of Africa, to transform violent conflicts. And we do work with most of the faith-based or inspired organizations. And to be here is and engage in the discussions in the faith-based organization forum here in Toronto, and to hear what other organizations are doing is something that we wish to first of all hear and learn from them and share our experiences in Africa.
Actualizing, all of us, all of these faith-based organizations here believe in serving humanity regardless of race, gender, class, or faith. And for us to be able to come together and model the behavior that we are talking about and actually have results, concrete results on the ground that are ultimately to the benefit of our beneficiaries and the people that are our partners in developing human communities around the world.